Hey team, it's Mr. Z, and today we're going to do some error analysis for the GCF and try to rectify any vocab issues. Let's go ahead and dive on in. All right, so for this, just remember our key is to identify, and then we have to correct the error. So we're going to do two things. We're going to figure out what's wrong and what the error is. Now, let's go ahead and do 8, 16 is 2. So before I process, I'm going to go ahead and figure out what the GCF is. 1 is the first factor, and I go ahead and go 8 and 16. Now I'm going to go ahead and check. What are the numbers between 1 and 8? And what are the numbers between 1 and 16? I'm going to go in sequence order and go, what's the number after 1 and 2? Both of these are even, so 2 works. And notice that my list of numbers I have to check goes down. The last thing I have to check is, does 8 go into 3? What? No. I have to check the numbers between 2 and 8. I'm going to check 3. I'm going to check 4. I'm going to check 5, 6, 7. So 3 does not work. I'm going to do 4, which totally works. And it is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. There's no space between 4 and 4, so I have listed all of the factors successfully. Now I draw my Venn diagram, and now I'm going to write my common factors, 1, 2, and 4. So the GCF is not 2. It's supposed to be 4. What did they say? Well, the GCF should be 4. 2 is a common factor. Remember, common factor is what they have the same in a math fact. All of these numbers in the middle are considered common factor. The GCF is 4. Notice how I describe this vocabulary. It's going to be in a lot of these. Number 2, I see that the GCF of 4 and 3 is 12. So I'm going to go ahead and 4, 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 3. Notice how I always get started. For 4, I need to ask myself, does 2 work? Does 3 work? 2 times 2. 3 only has 1 and 3, making this guy prime. Okay, what do they have in common? 1. That's it. Okay. So what is this 12? Well, it looks like 4 and 3. The LCM, 4 times 3, is 12. But the GCF is 1. What they did is they saw 3 and 4, and they wrote out their lists, and they correctly identified that the LCM is 12. But this isn't what we're doing. We're not finding the LCM. We're finding the GCF. So I hope this helped. Just remember, guys, that the common factor is the yellow region. For number 2, the common factors is just 1. Hope this video helped. That's it for now. Stay